Hi drummers, here's the video for week 5 for Punlogo. We're going to play the call, the break, and then the second djembe part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beginners first. Now to the experienced drummers. 1, 2, 3, 4.